Hello guys, in this video we'll see that for your RTLab, the MATLAB version that you have already installed in your system, it support your RTLab or not. Okay, is this video is for only for beginners, absolute beginners who just started working with MATLAB. Okay, so I'll show you first. I have, look here, I have two MATLAB version installed. Here downside you can see 2021B and 2020B. Okay, here you can see 2021B and 2020B. Okay, I have opened this RTLab. Okay, so here down this window, here you can see here window, it's written down that below that it's one MATLAB symbol is here. So just click on this arrow and click on this open. Here you can see, look, only MATLAB 2020B 64-bit is available. It's showing, means RTLab is showing that only 2020B version, but it's not showing 2021B version. Look here down, I have installed this version also, MATLAB 2021B. So up to now this one, my MATLAB version is 2021.3.2.307. okay, RTLab. So it's up to date, means last update was that one. So this update of RTLab did not support yet 2021B. okay, so you can't just run any MATLAB program with 2021. Don't think like RTLab version is 2021 but MATLAB is like 2021 not working with it. Okay, it is not like that. Some of the version support RTLab and some of the version it didn't support RTLab. So you can check it, whatever MATLAB version is installed in your system, you just open RTLab and go here, this down to this window, there is MATLAB symbol. Just click on this arrow, click on open. So you can see that if your MATLAB is showing here any version name, okay, that means you can work with your MATLAB in RTLab. okay, or let's check from, means now we'll check which version, means which version of RTLab, suppose one version of RTLab support how many MATLAB version. okay, so just simply go to real-time website, just suppose just search RTLab. okay, and here you can see latest version is here, latest version. Here you can see here, look, one option, MATLAB version compatibility. okay, just click on it. Here you can see like this MATLAB version, means this RTLab 2021.3.4 support up to 2020B. so not yet any release came for support MATLAB 2021A or 2021B or 2022AB. okay, so means what I am saying, like up to now you can only work with 2020B in RTLab. okay, like that you can check which are the version. Like if you are if you have installed this RTLab version 2021.3.4, then you can work with any version of this listed here 2020 2020 B A, 2019 A B, 2018 A B, and all you can check here. Okay, so this video is only for beginners, guys, absolute beginners who already who just started this working with RT Lab. This is a very important software for real-time simulation. Okay, so if this video help you little bit for your work, please subscribe and like. Most of the most of the viewers are not subscribing, so please subscribe here. This your subscription will motivate me to create more videos, and this will I will be able to help more students or anyone, any professional who is who want to start who want to start working with RT Lab. Okay, subscribe, guys. Thank you, guys.